guys, Delight30 here with another video, and don't mind the singing. This is, well, the screaming. Shush! Guys! Guys, be quiet. Anyway, so this is the picture that my friend made for you all. I hope you guys like it. She's very young. She's only kindergarten.
Wait,
so.
you have webcam
Yes.
on?
Yes.
They can see your face then.
No, they can't because this is blocking it. So yeah, I just wanted to show.
She's trying to kill me back here.
I just wanted to show you guys. I just wanted to show you guys this picture. So yeah, that's the end of this video.